Let's get started. 10 common mistakes student makes in tenses. The first one is there. She go to college every day. Now here we have singular noun she and go is your plural noun. So this is wrong. We have to use over here a singular verb, and that is she goes. Here we have to add es with go. So she goes to college every day. The next one is there, that is I am knowing him since my childhood. No, this is not present continuous. Here we have to use I have. Instead of am, we have to use I have. That is I have known. No, this is not knowing, this is present participle. We have to use past participle K-N-O-W-N. So this is known. I have known him since my childhood. The next one is there. He has went to Lahore yesterday. So this is your past indefinite tense, and has is used in present perfect tense. So he went to Lahore yesterday. So has is wrong here. We have to use only went. This is he went to Lahore yesterday. The next one is there. They was playing cricket when I saw them. The second part of the sentence with subordinate conjunction when is correct over here. But the first part, the main clause, is wrong, because we have they is your plural pronoun and was is your singular one. So this is wrong. We have to use over here were. So they were playing cricket. They were playing cricket when I saw them. So that is wrong. Was, and we have to use the correct form of the verb. They were playing cricket when I saw them. The next one is there. She did not went to the office today. She did not went to the office today. So here we have did not, and this auxiliary verb is used with the first form of the verbs. So if we have to keep this did not, so this went is wrong over here. This is simple past. So instead of went, we have to use over here go. So she did not, and here we have to use this one. We have to use she did not go to the office today. The next one is there. She is living here for 5 years. She is living here is present continuous, but we are talking about present perfect continuous with the use of for and since. So since is used with the name of time, and when we have the quantity number, we use for. So this is wrong over here. That is, the correct form is there. She has. Yes, very good. She has been. Here we have to use has been. She has been. Yes, this is she has been living here for 5 years. This is your present perfect continuous. The next one is there. She works here for 5 years. So this works is present indefinite, simple present, but we are talking about for 5 years. This is again present perfect continuous. She has been over here. She has been, yes, Works is for simple present, and she has been working here. So this is your present perfect continuous. We use has is used with singular noun, and have is used with I, we, they, you. So this is wrong over here. We have to use she has been working. She has been working. Working is your present participle. So this is your correct form of the verb. She has been working here for 5 years. The next one is there. When I will reach home, I will call you. This is conditional sentence, and subordinate conjunction is in the beginning of the sentence. So we use comma over here. And the main clause I will call you is the correct form, but will reach is incorrect. So this is only we say when I reach, जब मैं पहुंचूंगा, when I reach home, I will call you. So no need to write over here will. Just first form of the verb as a simple present, when I reach, and if there is third person, when he reaches. Okay. The next one is there. She has saw this movie already. Now here we have adverb already is there. So has is correct over here, but this is simple past, and saw is not used over here. She has seen. This is past participle. Third form of the verb is used with has and have. She has seen this movie already. This is present perfect. The next one is there. She is go to the market every Sunday. Now here we have that verb every over there. So it shows a routine. So that is a simple present. No need to write she is, she goes. Yes. So this is your singular verb actually. This is your singular verb, and this is your singular pronoun, and this is third singular pronoun. She goes to the market every Sunday. The next one is there, that is 10 common mistakes students make in tenses. If you still have any question, you can put your question in the comment box. She goes to college every day. This is your present, simple present. And the next one is I have been watching TV for 2 hours. And the third one is if he comes. This is your first conditional sentence with third singular he. And this is simple present with subordinate conjunction if. If he comes, we shall play the match. If you still have any question, you can put your question in the comment box, and I'll upload another video for you on these errors. Thank you.